Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduTube Free. If you want to become a web designer or want to make your own website, so this video is for you because in this video session I'm going to discuss HTML step by step. After completing HTML from basics to advanced, you will learn CSS and JavaScript as well. So please stay tuned with us. Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to learn a new tag, that is base font tag. In previous video session, we had talked about the font tag. If you didn't see that video, you can see by clicking on this I button symbol, which is given on the top. In today's session, we are going to learn about base font tag. So what is base font tag and base font element? Both are same things. Base font tag is used to define the default font family, font size, and color of the text in the document, in the HTML document. So there is a difference between the font tag and base font tag. That is, font tag is used to change the font of the text. If you want to change the color of the text, if you want to change the size of the text, if you want to change the style of the text, a particular text I'm talking about in a web page, if you want to change, suppose that this is your web page, and in this web page, this portion, some text is written here, that is text 2, and here text 1 is written here, and here text 3 is written here. And if you want to change the text size, color, and style of this text 2, you have to write under font tag, and after that you have to apply the attribute font size, color, and face, by which you can change the size, style, and color of this text. But what about the text 1 and text 3? Text 1 and text 3 holds the by default color. By default color, as you know very well, by default color of the text is black. By default size of the text is 3, which ranges from 1 to 7. That is min, that is minimum, or max, that is maximum. So by default text size is 3. And what about the face? But by default the face is Times New Roman. Times New Roman. So text 1 and text 3 should remain by default. It holds by default color, size, and face. But what about the text 2? Text 2, if you want to change the size, you can change by using font tag. But if you want to change by default color, size, and face, if you want to set your own by default, if you want to set your own by default color, size, and face for whole web page, you have to use base font tag. But there is an important thing, is that base font tag is defined in the head tag. Okay, it is not defined in the body tag. So example, HTML, after that head. So you have to define the base font tag under the heading tag. So here you have to write base font, and here you can set your own by default color. Suppose that I am giving red color. So by default the color of the text in any HTML web page, that would be red color. Okay, and size you can change, and face you can change. And by default, as you know very well, Times New Roman, if you change the by default color, size, and face, you will use base font tag. But there is a very important thing, is that base font tag is not available in HTML5 that we are learning. So it is very important thing, is that base font tag is not available. Okay, it is obsolete in HTML5. It is very outdated. So in HTML5, we use, in place of base font tag, we use CSS. We use basically CSS, cascading style sheet, that we will learn in upcoming videos. So there is no need to worry about it. Base font tag contains three types of attribute, as you know very well: size, color, and face. And one more important thing is that this base font tag is not available in HTML5, and this tag is not supported by the Chrome browser, Firefox web browser, Netscape Navigator browser, and many more. And it supports only Internet Explorer IE, that is 9 version, IE 9, or earlier version of Internet Explorer. So this base font tag is supported by Internet Explorer 9 or earlier version of Internet Explorer. Okay, not higher version. Okay, so base font tag is important tag, but it is not available in HTML5. So in place of base font tag, we will learn CSS and its property. We will apply how to change the by default color and size and face. We will see in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about it. Okay, now come to the next, font attribute. Font has three attributes basically: the color, size, and face. Color is what this attribute is used to set the by default color of the text in HTML web page. Suppose that this is your HTML web page, and if you and we have written some text over here, text, and text. And if you want to change the by default color of this text that is written over here, you can change by using this syntax: base font, color, color name, and color code. In place of color name, you can put any color name, and you can put also color code. Okay, as similar as we had discussed in the font tag. Okay, size, this attribute is used to set the by default size of the text in HTML web page. If you want to set your own by default text size, you can set by choosing size attribute. Okay, and face is used for styling purpose. If you want to set your own by default style in HTML web page, you can use face attribute. Base font, that is tag name, and this is your attribute name, and this is the styling. As you know very well, by default the size, or the sizes, you know very well, the by default the size is 3. The value is 3 by default, but if you want to change, you can change by default value. Okay, by default the color is black. If you want to change black color, you can change by using this syntax. Okay, and if you want to change the style, by default style is what? That is Times New Roman, Times New Roman. You can change any style like Calibri or any style. Okay, so now come to the practical session. This is your practical session of base font tag. So this is my Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to make base font tag. I'm defining HTML. After HTML tag, I'm going to define head tag. So under the head tag, I'm going to define base font tag. Okay, that we have earlier discussed. Base font tag size, I am giving my own by default size would be, it should be 5. Color should be, as you know very well, by default color is black, but by using this tag you can define your own by default color. I'm defining by default color, that is green. Okay, and face, it means I'm giving the styling by default, as you know very well, that is Times New Roman, but I'm giving Calibri. Okay, and now I'm going to define my title. After that, I'm going to close it. Okay, after closing the title, there is no need to close base font tag, because the base font tag is empty tag. Okay, so after closing heading tag, I'm going to open body tag. Here you have to write some content. I'm writing the spelling of body is BODY. I'm writing this is my first web page. Okay, this is the text which will highlight in our HTML web page. After writing this, I'm going to close body tag, and after closing the body tag, only HTML clauses remain to close. So I'm going to close it. Control S for save, and going to Control F5. And now this program I'm going to open with the help of Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Yeah, it is already open. That's why this method is showing. I'm going to reload it. This is my first web page. So here you can see that nothing is changed. By default color is black. It is whatever the color is set by me. It is not set because you are running this program in Chrome browser. So I advised you, if you want to use base font tag, so use Internet Explorer 9 or earlier version of Internet Explorer. Okay, you cannot run this program in Chrome browser, Mozilla Firefox browser, Netscape Navigator. You cannot run. Okay, so because I don't have Internet Explorer 9 or earlier version, I have updated version. That's why I'm not able to show you, but you can run in HTML5. Base font tag is obsolete. It is not in HTML5, and so there is no need to take a panic. There is no need to worry about it ki I'm not able to use base font tag. So please don't worry about it. You will learn how to set by default color, size and style by using CSS, cascading style sheet, that we will learn in upcoming classes. Okay, so thank you for watching. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है और आपको ये महसूस होता है कि मैंने इसके लिए काफ़ी मेहनत करी है और ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल, सो दैट जितने भी बच्चे हैं जो एचटीएमएल ट्यूटोरियल पूरा अच्छे से स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक सीखना चाहते हैं, वो इसको अच्छे से सीख सकें। और अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं। मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स से रिलेटेड जो भी रिप्लाई होगा मैं उसमें दे दूंगा। एंड एट द लास्ट आई जस्ट वुड लाइक टू से थिंग, प्लीज डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।